Be someone that lives in your house rent-free?
I have nothing to do. Tuesday, I have nothing to do. Wednesday, I have nothing to do. Thursday, I have nothing to do. Friday, Saturday, nothing to do. Sunday, come, I have nothing.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Got the cutest pet on the internet. I have this one, so cute.
Yo, bro, who got you smiling like that? Like,
Kill the light, so baby, close your eyes.
What did I say, huh? What did I say? I told you no touchy touchy. Now you suffer the bite of the lion and the clenching jaws of an alligator.